Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add more than one uh, captions or subtitles into your videos in a CapCut PC. So if you want to have more than one languages on your captions, you can use this feature on CapCut PC. So what you need to do is add the clips that you want to edit, and then click on these captions at the top. Then go to the auto captions, and here you need to enable the bilingual captions, but you need to know that this is a pro feature, so if you want to use this you need to join the CapCut Pro. So let's try to enable the bilingual captions. Now just select the language for the secondary subtitles. For example, I'm going to go with Korean, and here for the first one you can just, for example, choose the first subtitle which is spoken in the video. So I'm going to go with English. Sorry, let's change it. And after that you can just click on generate. Just wait until CapCut generating both of the captions, the primary and also the secondary subtitles. Okay, so now the speech is recognized and the subtitles are created. So you can see the result by playing the video. Hi guys, welcome back on my clips. There are two subtitles. The first one, the primary one at the top and the secondary at the bottom. If you want to change the font and the style, you can just click on one of the captions and change the style. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.